Hey, beautiful people, D Vibes here with a little Tuesday motivational moment for you. Today, I want you to think about this and do this. I want you to just stop. Stop. That's what I want you to do. S-T-O-P. Stop. Now, do you want to know what I want you to stop doing? I want you to stop listening to people, negative people. Stop letting toxic people into your space. Stop letting the toxic thoughts enter into your mind, your heart, your soul. I need you to stop that, and I need you to activate. Now, activate. When we say activate something, that means something is going to happen, right? Something is going to change. Think about back in the day when we had the Jerry curls. What did we have to do to make those curls pop? You had to get that curl activator, right? And once you put that curl activator into those that hair pieces, those hair follicles, and rubbed it through the scalp and everything and moisturized those curls, guess what? Those curls were popping, right? Because they were activated. Now, they were dead at first. They were looking all dry and not fresh and not shining. But that activator, it activated them, right? It did something to them. It made a change in them. So that's what I need you to do today. Activate, activate, activate. I need you to activate your faith. That means your greatness. You were created to be great. It's already in your DNA. So why are you acting like that you are not great? You are great. God designed you to be great. So I need you to activate that faith. Activate that greatness that is already deep inside of you. Concentrate on how far you've come and not on where you were. Because think about it. You are not where you used to be today. Get out of that rear view mirror, which is that tiny little mirror that you keep looking in, looking backwards. Focus on the big windshield, which is a wide open space window that you can see so many things ahead of you. See your future as bright. See your future as great. God has already destined you to be great. So I need you to activate that greatness inside of you and do what you were destined to do. Whatever you're trying to do, believe that you can do it. Whatever business you're trying to do, believe that you can do it. Whatever it is that you're trying to do, whether it's going back to school, whether it's looking for a new job, if you need to leave a job that God has already told you to leave and you're still hanging around, do it. Activate that faith and do it. God is not going to bring you to anything that He is not going to bring you through. Believe that, receive that, my friends, and know that greatness is already in you. Keep on smiling, sharing those smiles with everyone. Be the best you that you can be always. Remember, do something each day to grow yourself. And remember this, every day is not going to be perfect, but it can be positive on purpose. That means you have the power to make it positive. You have the power to make it a great day. So get out there and make it great.